lovelies, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the Deminuage Quick Pore Anti-Aging, Rejuvenation, and Repair NanoPen Device Kit. So about a month ago, Deminuage was nice enough to send me one of their kits. I misunderstood the assignment. That was all on me, but I'm going to correct that in this video. So initially they sent me a product, and if I would have thought about what I received, I would have realized it was supposed to be tested like as a month, like one consecutive month. For some reason that didn't click in my brain until right before I was going to record this video initially, and I realized I don't think I used it right. So luckily at this point I had only used the device about twice, so I still pretty much had everything that was sent to me. So I was like, you know what, from this day on, I'm going to use it how I'm pretty sure they thought I was going to use it, and then give you guys a follow-up video on my results. So before we get started, let's go ahead and break down what is in this kit. So when you open the box, you get the instruction manual, and it just shows you basic how to use the product, and then you get a registration card. So this kit, bought how it was sent to me, is $149.99. It comes with the pen, 10 of the Blank Brightening Serums, 10 of the Blank Brightening Serum Tips, the 10 Booster Nano Chips, and then you get 20 daily Nano Chips for a total of 30 days worth of product. Again, I don't know why that went over my head, but it did. Yeah. So pretty much I'm just going to give you guys my initial thoughts, showing you how I use the products, giving you guys an idea of what my skin looks like right now. So in 30 days when I come back, and we can compare the results, and we'll see if this product is worth it or not. I would like to say, in my defense though, one, I read the product wrong. I was on the just description of the pen and not so much the nano chips or the booster. So my bad. From reading that description, all I could see was, oh, it just increases moisture. Okay, why do I really need this? But for digging in further, I've realized, I'm like, oh no, it's going to be full anti-aging. This is basically like a whole microdermabrasion kit without the pain associated with some microdermabrasion. And compared to like the weekly treatment I sometimes use with the Banish stick, this one's more of something you can use daily, or if you use the booster, 1 to 2 times a week. And the micro points are very, very, pretty much they're nano, and they just kind of help the serum gets further into your skin because it is opening up those channels. And also by doing that, that's helping to encourage, cell regeneration, boost collagen, all that other good stuff on top of whatever your serum is supposed to do. So I'm just going to kind of read what the description says, and then we will hop into my bathroom so you guys can see this thing in action, and so I can show you what my skin looks like right now. So it says this non-abrasive anti-aging NanoPen device includes a NanoPen, nano chips, and our signature anti-aging serum filled with skin's most wanted ingredients: tranexamic acid, rice ferment, and sodium hyaluronate. Coupled with the NanoPen and nano chip, it enables 10 times to 20 times more absorption of active ingredients, optimizing your skincare routine by reducing wrinkles, dark spots, age spots within just 8 to 6 weeks. See, now if I read that description instead of, I think when I initially looked up this product, I looked just on this page, which just shows the pen, and I was just like, oh, okay, I'll just use this whenever I use it. Again, not putting together that they sent me 30 days worth of stuff. So when I initially read it, I was just like, oh, it's just gonna help boost my serums. I don't really see why I would need that. The chips, they are daily and or a weekly one, and I'm like, I already have something like this. I don't use it as often, but I didn't really understand why I would need it. And I'm like, oh, it does more than just do that. It's supposed to be like you're doing your own micro needling at home. The one other thing I want to put out there before we hop into my bathroom is that the serums already, because again, I had already used one of these. I was sent 10. I had already used one before I'm doing this video. So I already know that this this just did not work for me. Basically, you're supposed to just break the top part of this and then put this little rubber stopper on top and then dap it into your skin all the way around. Ain't nobody got time for that. I did it like part way the first time and I realized I'm like, this is taking way too long. What is the point of this? I don't like this. So I literally just took the top off, which I'll do in this video, you'll see. I just took the top off, poured it on my hand and applied it to my skin. Like once you open these, you can't reuse it. Like they even say once open, toss afterwards. They're not meant to be reused just because of what is in them. So once it's exposed to air, you're just like, that's it. So it's not like I could save it. And if I want to just apply more on my face, I just put more on my face on that one. But no, I'll show you guys why I don't like using these, but just want to throw that out there. Y'all bear with me. I'm at that stage in the video where I can't see a thing. After washing my face, had to take my contacts out. I can't see you. So hopefully this is in focus. So I'm going to be using the NanoPen. This is the Prime. And to just turn it on, there's just a button on the bottom. Hear it vibrate. Turn it off. I'm going to be using the white tip. So this is the booster. Hence why I have the serum, because I wanted to show you guys why I don't like this part. So with the serum, there it is. You just break that off and then you would put this on it and then it legit says just dab it on your face. Why I don't like that. You're literally doing this all over your face, and I'm sorry, but that's just, I ain't got time for that. So taking that off, pouring that in my hands, and then just lightly patting it on my skin. So much quicker. Like, I'm pretty sure there's a reason why they want you to do that. Enjoy the experience, yada, yada, yada. I just don't have the time for it. I try to use all of it because, like I said, there's no saving it. To insert the tip, you just screw it on and then press that button. So before I start, you do want your skin to be taut. You don't want to go over a section more than, I think they said 3 times. And yeah. So I'm struggling because I'm using my viewfinder to try to do this, and y'all, I can't see. And also it's doing it in mirror. So yeah, I'm gonna be right back. So yes, basically you just go over the skin, letting it glide over. I was taking a little bit too long to set up because now it's like dried a little bit, so I do need to go put a little bit more serum on. But essentially, skin taut, pull across, all the way around. You just tap where the eyes were. So I'm gonna finish up and then come back. So I'm done. Yeah, for the first 2 times I've done that, the serum has not dried before I had a chance to actually go across, but I am done. So it's a little tacky, but it dries. I will give you guys a close-up of my skin in a second, but that is essentially the pen, and then you would just unhook the tip. So these are one-time use. And they say it's because it's more hygienic that way. I wish there was a way that we could reuse these. I mean, I feel like, why can't I just use alcohol? It just feels a little wasteful just tossing this, but that's what the system is. So I will just toss it. And then ideally I would follow up the rest of my skincare routine, moisturizer, and that's it. So again, this is the booster. This is after my use today. So I will say from right now, I've probably used this product consistently for about 3 days now. My trouble areas are my cheeks. You guys see that, like all of that acne scarring and hyperpigmentation. From far away, my skin has actually gotten really, really good as I've progressed and learned more about what I need to do in my skincare routine. So if this can help with like the darker spots, and I don't know if you guys, yep, the little pits I have, if this can help with that, okay. That is pretty much my initial thoughts, what my skin looks like right now. So we'll have a comparison when I come back for part 2 of this video, and just kind of an introduction to what this product is. I am 100% on the fence. I don't know if this is going to do anything for my skin, but I am excited to see what happens. You guys know I am trying to clear up my acne scars and hyperpigmentation. So if this product can do that and like make it lighter in the course of a month, then I'm willing to try. So I will see you guys in the next video. Whenever I do the part 2 for this video, I will update it in the description box below in case you come up on this video way later down the line. You will have that. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when's the next time I upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.